Hello, my name is Rhonda. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, please consider subscribing, and if you're not, I thank you so much for being here and being part of the family. Please please click, I got something high. Please click the thumbs up button. I just got through doing some other videos and I think I've got something in my eye. And I'm kind of disappointed. I used the Natasha, let me see, the Natasha Denona eyeliner pencil that I got in my premium. It's the first time I've used it. And if y'all got this or you've tried this, let me know. It keeps smearing under my eyes. I don't know if I've done something different that's making it smear, but we know we don't want smeared under our eyes. We try to fight having dark circles, and that keeps smearing under my eyes. I wanted to show you all another eyebrow kit I have, since I know a lot of y'all mentioned that the eyebrows are one of your problems that you have. Please excuse, I've been doing swatches, and the one I just did on my eyes and been doing all my swatches, but the $1 Billion Brow is also one that I like. I don't like this as much as I like the Too Faced, but this one is a pretty good, get this stuff out, this one is pretty good. You get the little spoolie on this end, and then you get the color. I'm not sure. Let's see if this is this a universal one or if there's a certain color. Yeah, this one says it's a universal color. And then you've got the brush to blend it out and smooth it out or whatever you need to do. And then you have the different highlighters if you need it for your brow. There's the darker one, there's the lighter one, and this is a clear setting gel, like, is that brow gel? So I've actually haven't tried this exact one. The one I had used was a little different. It was a pencil that you sharpened. This one was just the one I just picked up. So let's try this. And like I said in the other video, it's so hot in this house. Our air conditioner went out today and it's so hot it's unbearable. And I thought we had it fixed, but it still doesn't seem to be working right. Let's see here. I'm not really good at this, and I guess I should have done this video before doing the eye video, so I could have put that on first, but this is all fixing to be washed off anyway. I'm just doing this video to show you all different stuff and just trying to do my videos for you all, and then this will all be washed off, so it's not perfect. It'll be okay. I do like having this stick as far as using it versus the Too Faced. I think I like this stick better than, but I do really like the Too Faced, and I don't know how much this set is because I got it in, I'm actually not sure. I think this particular one, I don't know, I got one in boxycharm and one in ipsy, and I don't remember which was which. I think this one might have been the one I got in ipsy. But like I said, I'm not exactly sure. Okay, I put some highlighter on. Like I said before, I'm just learning about brows. I didn't do my brows for years because it was having blonde hair. I mean, you can see my roots. I don't really have blonde hair, but I've kept my hair blonde for years. I don't like my hair dark. Anytime I've ever made my hair dark, everybody tells me that it makes me look really washed out. So I have tried it several times, and every time people tell me it doesn't look right on me. I have thought about doing some darker streaks just because I really love that contrast. And again, please excuse me, it is so hot in this house. I had the fan on, but I turned it off so I could make sure y'all could hear me. And I'm pulling my hair back so to get it out of my face so I can do my eyebrows. It really makes me feel weird or self-conscious letting y'all see my hair like this because I'm very, very picky about my hair. But you see, I had it clipped. I usually keep them in the clip here when I'm around doing stuff, or even putting makeup on, not on camera. I put it on a clip so my hair doesn't get in my way. When I'm cleaning, I put it in a clip so that my hair doesn't fall in cleaning chemicals or whatever I'm doing. I just did most of my makeup on the video. That was something I said when I started my channel. I said that's something I'll never be able to do, is start barefaced and show y'all things, but I have found that I really made some really good friends, so it really doesn't bother me. And if it shows y'all something by me showing my bare face, something y'all might enjoy seeing or learning, it really doesn't bother me. 3 months ago I said that's something I would probably never be able to do because I don't hardly ever let anybody see me without some kind of makeup on. And see, I've always had a problem with my eyebrows because they just look so funny with blonde hair to me. But then I see other people who have blonde hair and they have their eyebrows darker, and to me it doesn't look funny. But like I said, I am my own worst enemy, as they say, and I really am. I have always been one to find fault with pretty much everything about me. I think society expects us to be perfect and ends up making us feel like we're supposed to be perfect. And that's something that I'm still working on overcoming. And then we see all these beautiful supermodels and the beauty industry. Everybody appears to be so beautiful that it's hard to feel like, or hard to see that to me and feel like I'm not beautiful. Okay, there is, how does that look? I actually like this kit, this particular one. The other one I was using was that was the $1 Billion Brows. It's actually just slightly different. Okay, there. How does that look? I've got my color. I did get my new color to do my roots, But was telling y'all in the other video that I'm afraid to do my roots while this pink is still on my hair, even though this pink is just a color conditioning deposit color. I'm just still worried that, I mean, I'm just doing the roots, but I'm still worried that if any got on where I have the pink, it might still cause some damage. So I'm really hesitant about doing it until that color washes out. And that color, it says that color washes out in just a few washings, but I just put like a quarter sized color, quarter sized thing to get all of this, and it has been like 2 weeks and it's not coming out. I'm sure I wouldn't be complaining. I'm not complaining if it wasn't that I want to do my roots, but I might break down and go ahead and do them anyway because they're really growing out and starting to look rough. And I do them myself. I ordered them, and I did get what I use in the mail a few days ago, so I may get ready and do those soon. So that is the $1 Billion Brow Universal Kit, and I did the video. I have the NARS lip pigment that came in my boxy, the premium. I have the bronzer that came in the premium for I still have it sitting here, the contour palette that I just did a video on my box because it finally came. And I think that, oh yeah, and I told y'all I had the Natasha, was it the Natasha? I think that was the Natasha Denona. I want to make sure I tell you right. Yeah, the Natasha Denona eye pencil that seems to be, you see just a little bit where I've had to wipe it away because it kind of smeared under my eyes a little bit. And I fight not having under eye circles. I don't want my eyeliner to smear and make anything I do have more prominent. So I don't know that I'll be using that again. Ooh, that was thunder. Hear that? We must be fixing to have a storm. Thank you very much for watching, and please hit the thumbs up button for me. And you have no idea what you all mean to me. I love making new friends, and I have made such really great friends in just the last 3 months since I've been doing this. And I really do appreciate y'all supporting me, and I will come watch your channels. I have been, and to support you too if you have a channel. If I don't know about your channel, let me know, and I will come subscribe and support you on your journey too. Thank you very much for watching, and I apologize if I seem a little bit all over the place. I went and got my scan done, the CT on this, where I was telling y'all I have this big salivary gland tumor here, and then these glands all over here. My neck is just huge where I can't really show you under here, but it feels like hard-boiled eggs. Literally feels like hard-boiled eggs under my chin. They stay so swollen. I'm assuming in response to this. So I had my scan done, and the contrast they put in really makes me nauseated, makes me so sluggish and tired, and I just had that done yesterday, so I'm still feeling the after effects of it. I know it doesn't really affect everybody that way, but I've had it done, I think, not this particular thing, but I've had the contrast done 3 or 4 times, and every time it has made me feel really bad. So I guess it just doesn't agree with me. But hopefully I will get results next week on this, and it won't be cancer. And y'all please keep me in your prayers, because I have worried so much about that. The doctor says there's 70% chance they're not cancerous, but that leaves 30% chance that they are. And he told me that right as we went into a pandemic, and I wasn't able to get anything done about it because, you know, the hospital is everything pretty much closed down except for emergencies. So through this pandemic, I have been a nervous wreck worrying about whether that is cancer or not. And, you know, I have an 8-year-old with special needs that I have to see raised. Pretty much all he has, so I have to see that he is raised. So please keep me in your prayers that that is not cancer, that it is an easy fix. The doctor did say that with these kind of tumors, often they do have to do chemo to the whole neck area, even if it's not cancer, which, I mean, I'm willing to do whatever as long as I'm able to stick around and raise him. So please do keep me in your prayers, and thank you so much for watching, and I will let you know when I find out what's going on, and I will talk to you all later. Have a good weekend, be safe, and hopefully you have some fun, and I will see you all later. Bye bye.